Assalamu alaikum friends, hope sure you are good. This is Saeed. Uh, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can easily run regression while using Stata. As I'm using Stata 14. So guys, as there are a lot of queries about regression, as I have many models like VOR, VECM, ARDL. So question arise when we apply regression model. So the simple answer is if we have all variables are stationary at level. If we have all variables are stationary at level. In this case, we go for regression. And sure, I'm talking about the time series analysis. And now, uh, the next question arises either linear regression or simple regression produce long run or short run results. So guys, the answer is that simple regression produce long run relationship. So now let's start. As I have my data in Excel sheet, in column A I have my years, in column B I have my p variables, which is a dependent variable, while in C column I have y u, my another explanatory variables, while D I have also an explanatory variable. Suppose I have selected my three variables and copy. Now guys, the question arises how I can bring data from Excel into Stata. So no need to worry, just copy data from your Excel sheet, open your Stata programs as I'm using Stata 14. So guys, click on this tab, data editor, editor tab, click on this icon, as I click on this first cell, do right click and paste here. Now asking you want variables name as well or data only, because I want the same name as I haven't saved in the Excel form. So guys, click variable name. Wow, you can see here I have my all variables p, x, y, u and ex. So close this file as my variables are here in variables view. Like my first variable is p, the second variable y, u, and the third variable ax. So how I can run regression? I have two methods. The first one is through command methods. I'll run regression with the help of the commands. So guys, look here. Regress, regress. Write your first variable. Double click on first variable, then explanatory variables, and then explanatory variables. P is my dependent variable, y, u and ex I have my independent variables. Hey guys, I simply write the command regress p, y, u, ex. Again, p is my dependent variable. Write first your dependent variable and then your independent variables. I have written the equation, or I have written all my variables and press enter. You will see I have results. So guys, as p is my dependent variable, look here, p is dependent variable y. Well, I have these my p values. I have these p values. The last p value is constant, and the other two p values are the first p value representing my explanatory variable, that is yu, while the other variables is ex and p value. Hey guys, how I can conclude? If p value come more than 5%, we say there is no relationship among projected variables. Hey guys, you can see here the probability value of all my two independent variables is more than 5%. So in this case, I'm really very sorry. my probability value is less than 5%. So as I have said, if p value comes more than 5%, in this case I said there is a no relationship. But in our case, I have my p value less than 5%. So I would like to say that there is a significant association. There is a significant, sorry, if my p value is less than 5%. So now I'll conclude that there is a significant. So guys, now how I can further interpret coefficient value representing positive sign. Hey guys, why you representing positive sign and p value is less than 5%? Now I'll say there is a positive and significant association between y and p. Y is my independent variable while p is my dependent variable. So guys, again my coefficient value is representing positive sign, means there is a positive relationship among my projected variables, and p value is indicating that there is a significant relationship as well as. So guys, same for the next variables. Well, probability value is less than 5%, means there is a significant association among our independent variables and dependent variables. So guys, I have also other statics hey guys, look here, number of observations. I have 34 total observation in my data set. Well, look here, this is probability value 0.000, while I have my calculated f value is more than critical value. As if my f statics calculated f statics value comes more than probability value f stats, then in this case I'll say that there is a, sorry, the model, overall model is good fit. Then r square indicate how much your independent variables are affecting to your dependent variable. While you can see here, there is 95% effect of all independent variables on dependent variables, means this is a good model, as 95% your dependent variables is affecting due to your projected explanatory variables. I have an other adjusted r square value. So I would like to personally, want if you want to interpret or if you want to compare your different two models, please make decision on the base of adjusted r square, because of adjusted r squares means this measure truly affect your independent variables. Like suppose I want to code example here. Suppose I have include these two variables which are highly relevant variables for the dependent variable. Suppose I want to also add two further irrelevant independent variable. In this case you will see your r square will increase, while your adjusted r square will not increase, it may be decrease. So adjusted r square is a true measurement of effect of independent variables to the dependent variable. Hey guys, this was the first way of running regression. So I run regression with the help of the command. Now I want to run regression with the help of the click system. So guys, go to statics, linear model, and now linear regression. First of all, select here dependent variables. As I have my p dependent variables, from here select your independent variables. Again, sorry, yeah, I have selected my all independent variables. For constant, click suppress, and okay, wow, you can see again your results, p-value, your standard error, coefficient value, and your probability value, etc. So guys, hope sure you enjoyed. Thank you so much for being with me. Take care.